Which type student 1 have? Which data type? We have agreed that a class is a user defined data type. Which data type is this student 1? Yes? Which data type students are? Okay. String is a built-in data type. That's our data type in our library, right? In our standard library. But we have a user-defined data type. We as users, we come up with our own data type. Which data type is that? Students. Very good. So this variable student, that's the variable. Student 1 is of type students, right? I hope you understand now. And in this case, we have created an object of student 1. Now, instead of saying student 1 to display name, student 1 to display age, yes, we pass some arguments to satisfy parameters. Any parameter should have its own argument, right? So we say we initialize to a constructor, student. Just exactly what happens in our constructor, we pass arguments corresponding, right? Student name, we initialize a student name, for example, Francis, right? Francis. In a couple quotes or string, and then separated by comma. This is student age, let's say 23, and then a semicolon. These quotes are enough for Francis to display this message. And Francis is 23 years old. Right? This is enough. Let me open this up. Thank you. Sampai ke taman. Please. Yes. Very good. Very good. No, don't go. I want you to explain now today what's the book. It is to that. What are we doing? We are passing some arguments to satisfy these parameters, right? Just one second. During the beginning of this session, we agreed that a constructor is a special member of our class that initializes the object of our class. This is the initialization we are talking about, right? So that instead of assigning each student with his or her data, we just initialize it directly in the object, inside the object, right? You now understand? Yes. You understand? Yes. So let us to compare. Let's take a look. in our main function, we have written an executable block of codes, right? And if you see these codes, it's just few lines, right? These are how many lines? Only 3 lines that would display exactly message as what we are displaying there. Let me open. Now, can you compare this? Can you compare this in the main function and our in the main function when we create a constructor? Are you seeing some comparison? So what are the usefulness of this constructor? One, what you have realized? Yes, Francis? Reduce the line of codes. This is from line 16 to line 34. A lot of codes. But with a constructor, it has only 4 codes, 4 lines, so that it can display the same task. So you see now the usefulness of a constructor in object-oriented programming language. Yes? We shall write it on our compiler so that you can understand better, so that you can even, so that I can explain in detailed explanations. In other programming languages, or in other levels of programming languages, like procedural or structured programming languages, these concepts of constructors were not there. What has